I got a very special package. My sister is also sitting right here because she's really excited because she benefits from this too. From the title and thumbnail, you already know what it is. I'm gonna do a special, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, this box is so huge. I currently have the iPhone 10 in black. I decided that I love white and I regretted getting a black phone, so I got a white one instead. That was really anticlimactic. I feel like Justine, like she's always smelling her boxes, and oh my god, I love how it's in a black box. Oh my god, it's so huge. Oh my god, it's really cold. What?
She said.
Shut the
Oh my god.
Whoa. I love. Oh wow. USB-C to Lightning. And I get a new pair of headphones. When I got my other phone, my mom stole them, so. And then I got another cable, which I have like 50 of those. Oh, I also got a screen protector too. So I'm gonna put that on real fast. Ooh, girl. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna set this up, but I'll also do a what's on my iPhone after I download all my apps. And yeah, okay. Wow. So currently setting up my phone. I need to get this bubble out. It's really bothering me. Look at the freaking size. Continue. I'm gonna set up Apple Pay real quick, and I'll see you in a bit. Alrighty, so it's sort of set up so far, and oh my god, I love how big the phone is. The glass on it, wow. I'm just like testing it out, you know? I'm just like, ooh, but I can't go 0.5. Okay, so, ew, I'm not sure how I like the fish angle look. I don't know how I feel about that. I like this a lot better. The other one just like, I feel like a fish. The front facing camera, my hair looks really brown in this camera. This is so weird. So it's the second day of my iPhone, or like I guess the morning of. I really like it. I really love the big screen. I love the glass. I love the feel of the glass. I love the simplicity. I love the 3 cameras. The 3 cameras looks like an alien. And I love it. One thing that I am like bothered of, I guess, is force touch. I miss the force touch. Just miss it because I'm used to like pushing hard on everything. Instead, I have to hold down and then I get all my shortcuts. Say I'm typing something, I'm used to pushing in the center of the screen and then highlighting it. Instead, I have to hold the space bar and then I can't highlight it anymore. I can just only move the cursor. I can only move the cursor like this. When I'm going like that, I can't highlight it when I push like harder on the screen. That's like one thing that I kind of miss about the iPhone is the force touch. Otherwise, oh my god, I freaking love I love how big this phone is. I decided not to get a case yet since I am getting it today. I got the pink stand iPhone case, but I am going to my brother's today. I'm gonna try running with it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be leaving in time of when my case does get here. Hopefully I do. But yeah. That is my update, and yeah. Let's see what Zeus's reaction is. You like the new phone? You like it? No? Okay.
I'm wasting all my time thinking of the things we could do. If you gave me one more sign, I could find a way to break through, a way to break through. Ooh, 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 a way to break through.
Alright, so I'm trying the stability on the phone. Apparently, the software not let it move a lot when I'm moving a lot, if that makes sense.
Oh, hey guys.
Hey, Zeus.
And then I'm gonna test the front-facing camera of the iPhone iPhone 11 Pro Max. Hey dude. Hey buddy. Hey. It was just exploring throughout all these trees right here. The quality is pretty good. I really like it, especially with natural light. And yeah, so let's take some camera quality photos. Let's take some shots of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Hey guys, so I hope you guys like that little montage video. Now I'm going to be doing a what's on my iPhone. Sorry if you can hear some wind. I'm going to try to talk loud. You're going to knock the camera off, okay? Zeus, really? So I always restart my phone every time. I never do a backup or anything. The important thing for me for a backup is my contacts and passwords and stuff, which always saves to iCloud anyway. Pictures, I always back up to Google Photos. So I always like to start fresh on my phone. I haven't done anything exciting with my layout. I just kept it as it is because, I mean, I like how it is right now. Okay, so this is my lock screen. It's currently 3:57 Tuesday, May 12th. My lock screen is a live photo. My two best friends, Dad and Kindle, it's our graduation day. We had a parade for our graduation instead of a traditional graduation. Swiping up, my home page is basically my normal layout. I have FaceTime, calendar, photos, camera, mail, clock, maps, weather, reminders, notes, stocks, news, books, app store, podcasts, TV, health, home, wallet, settings, and Safari. I use most of them except like stocks and Apple TV and books. Bottom of my page I have phone, Snapchat, music, and iMessage. I recently switched to Apple Music because it works better in my car. I also bought a HomePod and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna have everything Apple so my HomePod can play music. When I ask Siri, my music that I use in my videos is on here. So if there's a way that you can get rid of this but not on my computer, please tell me down below because it's kind of bothering me because I just want my playlist of music and not my YouTube music. So going on to my second page, I have files, find my, shortcuts, iTunes Store, tips, contacts, watch, and then I have a folder with other Apple apps, voice memos, compass, measure, and calculator. Then I have Apple Store, tips, GarageBand, Keynote, numbers, pages, iMovie, and iTunes. Out of all 8 of those, I only use iMovie. The apps that I actually downloaded: Instagram, Twitter, and then all my banking apps. And then I have Google Photos. Google Photos is like what I've had for a very, very long time. When I had my iPhone 5C way back then, like 5 years ago, I didn't have enough storage. It was a 16 gigabyte and I always constantly ran out of storage. So I would always back up my photos and videos onto Google Photos and then delete all the photos on my actual phone so I had enough room to film and vlog when I vlogged like every single day with Jessica. And that's the reason why I never really backed up my phone at all, because my photos were always backed up to Google Photos anyway. Moving on, I have activity. It tracks all of my activities. I ran today. I ran like 2.5 miles and then did an outdoor walk. I have another folder called Shopping, Amazon, Walmart, Lululemon, Hy-Vee, Nike, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and Target. And then I have TikTok. If you guys don't follow me on TikTok, go ahead and follow me. I have 15 followers and I only have one video with 19 likes. But it was me buying the camera that I have now, and I absolutely love the camera. So if you guys are interested in an unboxing and review of the camera, I have it next after this video. And then I have Hue Bluetooth. I'm using Bluetooth right now since I don't have a Hue bridge. It controls my light in my room. I have 2 other bulbs and I thought it had like a bright white light. It doesn't. It's like warm tone, so I only have it on my lamp. So my next page, I'm just going to go through this really fast. I have Panda, Buffalo Wild Wings, Best Buy, Panera, Zelle, NE511, Google Classroom, Sam's Club, Planet Fitness, ADP, LifeSum, Who's Fit, which is my scale, DoorDash, MyFitnessPal, PayPal, Venmo, IGTV, Paracle Track, tracks my packages, UPS, Facetune 2, Facetune, Workout, Starbucks, of course, Seat Hog, Domino's, VPN Proxy Master, Kohl's, Grocery, Yelp, the Weather Channel, McDonald's, Gmail, Bitmoji, Spotify, YouTube, Pinterest, YouTube Studio, Netflix, YUBO, and Wink, Lightroom. I do have a last page, but it has my school app on it, and I don't want to show that on the internet. Even though I did graduate, but still, I don't want to show it. And that is basically it on my phone. I hope my screen recording is saved. I don't know if my screen recording is saved. It doesn't show. All I have is pictures of my brother's dog. Oh, there it is. Okay. So yeah, So I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe down below if you are new and you want to join the Lonely Fam. I have a video coming up after this one. It's a vlog of me unboxing this camera that you are on right now. All my social media links are down below, also my affiliate link, and yeah, I hope to see you guys next time. Bye guys.